Melissa the banker helped Mrs. Smith get a loan so Mrs. Smith could purchase a new car. It was a 4-year loan with a 5% interest rate. The loan was for $20,000. At the end of the 4 years, how much interest will Mrs. Smith have to pay back? How much overall will Mrs. Smith have to pay back? There are several questions here. Let's figure out which ones. First, let's figure this out. Interest equals principal times rate times time. The interest is the money that she has to pay back to the bank. The principal, this is the extra money that she has to pay back to the bank. The principal is the amount of loan. The rate is a percentage, and the time is 4 years. So let's put in some numbers that we know. We know that she borrowed $20,000. We know that the rate is 5%. We know that the time is 4 years. We don't know the interest, not yet. By the way, don't you love Melissa the banker's hair? It's almost like it's 2 colors of hair. It's amazing. Let's figure this out. Let's do some calculations. We know that when you're working with a percent, you need to convert it to a decimal by dividing by 100. So 5% is going to become 0.05 because you move your decimal place twice to the right. 5% is 5 out of 100. Percent out of 100, or 5/100ths is the same as 0.05. And that'll be multiplied by 4, and that will also be multiplied by 20,000. Okay, so let's do the easy part here first. Let's multiply these two. So that will give us 40,000. I'm going to clean off this section right here so I can do some math right there. $20,000 times 2 is 40,000. And multiply that by 0.05. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. So there should be 4 zeros and then a 20. We have 2 decimal places here, so we need 2 decimal places here. 1, 2. So it looks like 2,000. Okay, so the question up here is how much interest? Mrs. Smith have to pay back? She'll have to pay back $2,000 of interest. How much overall will she have to pay back? We know she has to pay back the principal, or the $20,000, plus she has to pay back the $2,000 of her loan interest. So altogether she has to pay back $22,000. Okay, thanks for watching.